Hello everyone, this is going to be a small tutorial on how to send me your data for the 2 weeks of the study. First thing you're going to do is you're going to log on to your Fitbit account online and you're going to go to your settings. From here you're going to go down to Data Export and you're going to change your time period from this week to custom. Here, click from date on December 11th to December 22nd, and that's the 2 weeks that I was looking at your steps. Then what you're going to do is you're going to change your data from body to just activities so that I can only see your steps. Then you're going to download, you're going to click here on download, and it's going to go straight into an Excel. Once in Excel, change the data into a PDF so that you can send it in an email as an attachment. Then you go into your emails, add it as an attachment as I did here, and send it to my email, santiagoalex537@gmail.com. That should be it. If you have any questions, please email me or contact me. And thank you again for being a part of my study.